Hello everyone and welcome to another edition of Kodamawiin, and I wanted to share with you something that has happened with my channel for the past week. And I know it's not a big deal, it's not a big number, but this week I got like 30 subscribers. I've never had so many people subscribe to my channel within such a short frame. So everybody that has subscribed to the channel, thank you so much. We're almost at 500 subscribers, which is one of my goals for this year, and I just want to say thank you for everybody that subscribed. Now, let's get to this. So, Izzy, what have you been doing all week? So, as you know, I've been bouncing between learning Java and data structures and algorithms in JavaScript. So, the two resources that I'm using is this Java course by Brocode, which is free. It's a 12-hour course. And then for my JavaScript, data structures and algorithms, I purchased this course from Brad Traversy, which is 70 plus JavaScript challenges, data structures and algorithms. So, I want to be even though I'm learning Java now, I don't just want to just leave JavaScript, right? I want to keep working on it, improving my skills. And this is not like a super hard challenges. This is literally for people that they just want to learn and get more practice when it comes to data structures and algorithms. So this is fulfilling what I want. I just want to learn as much as possible. So let's go to Java. So for this week, I've been learning a lot of new things. And so you have an idea on how I take tutorials. So what I do is I create a repo for the tutorial courses that I'm doing. So this is the Java course, and as you can see here, I take a lot of notes. So what I'm doing is I have these notes so I can go back to them whenever I have like questions and stuff. So I add this as I go, and then I just add it to the repo as I learn. So this is essentially what it is, and this is how I've taken all of my tutorials since day one. I make a repo and then I upload everything that I learned so far. And as you can see, I do to the point commits. Each commit says learn, and it just shows what I learned from this particular topic and section. So that's the same thing I do with the data structures and algorithms. So every time I do a commit, it has something that I learned in a section that I finished. So if I ever have to go back, I can just go back to it. Another thing that I do while taking the tutorial, coding, the repo, I also have Gemini to assess me to add and ask any question that I may have. So I have one for Java, and then I have another one for the data structures and algorithms. So I'm always asking questions, I'm always trying to clarify things. In this way, I can use AI as a learning tool, so I can have it as a mentor. So this is the way that I'm doing it. I'm studying Monday through Friday, and then some mornings I start with Java, and then I study data structures, or some mornings I do DSA, and then I do Java. So it really depends, but every day I'm doing both. The other thing, I just made a YouTube video, a tutorial teaching people how to do simple wireframes using Eraser, which is a interface that you use to create wireframes. So if you want to check that out, it's under 6 minutes. I teach you the fundamentals, and in order for you to get the ball rolling and start doing wireframes. So I truly recommend this video. And last but not least, tomorrow, no, I'm lying, not tomorrow, today is Friday. So on Sunday, we have a special guest to Code and Coffee. It's going to be, it's going to be Danny Thompson. He's going to be in attendance. It's going to be a big day for our meetup. He's going to bring some colleagues as well. We're going to keep that secretly because I'm one of the volunteers, and he's bringing a couple more people. So we are very excited about that. And sadly, it's already full. So if you didn't RSVP ahead of time, you're probably on the wait list. So what we're doing is we're telling people that already RSVP'd that in case they cannot make it for Sunday, to please change their RSVP to no. This way, people from the wait list probably can get a chance to attend the meetup. Now you might be asking, Izzy, can I go and show up? You can't, because the Capital One Cafe, which is one of the amazing hosts that we have, they are very strict with the guidelines. It's something with the fire safety code in New York City. So they have a certain amount of people that they can take in one building, and they can't go over it because then they can get fined by the city of New York City. So hopefully I'm able to see some of you there. If you see me, please say hi. But yeah, just like always, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.